What if I told you that glowing, radiant skin doesn't begin in front of the mirror, but in your kitchen? While most people spend hundreds of dollars on skincare products, nature has already provided 3 simple fruits that can make your skin glow from the inside out. And the third one might just work better than your favorite serum.
Welcome to Dr. Food Science, where we break down the truth about what you eat, one bite at a time.
These 3 fruits cost less than $15 per week, and I'm about to reveal exactly which ones they are and the specific way you need to eat them for maximum glow. Part 1. Papaya. The natural skin reviver. Let's start with one of the most underrated beauty fruits, papaya. Papaya isn't just a tropical treat. It's a skin-transforming superfood. This golden fruit is packed with enzymes like papain that gently exfoliate your skin from the inside, removing toxins and dead cells that make your complexion look dull. It's also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, the dynamic duo that boosts collagen production, smooths fine lines, and gives your face that youthful bounce. Here's the secret. Eating a few cubes of ripe papaya every morning on an empty stomach helps your body absorb its nutrients faster. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice softer, clearer, and naturally brighter skin. If you're enjoying these natural beauty secrets, hit that like button and subscribe to Dr. Food Science. There's more where this came from, and your skin will thank you later. Part 2. Blueberries. The anti-aging powerhouse. Next up, tiny but mighty blueberries. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect your skin cells from free radical damage. That's the stuff that causes premature aging. They also contain vitamin K and zinc, helping your skin stay smooth and elastic. And if you struggle with acne or breakouts, blueberries help by reducing inflammation and balancing hormones naturally. Add a handful to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt, and you'll feed your skin from the inside out. Part 3. Pomegranate. The skin protector. Finally, the fruit of youth and radiance, pomegranate. Every seed of this fruit is a tiny gem filled with antioxidants, polyphenol, and vitamins that increase blood flow and oxygen to the skin. The result? A healthy, rosy complexion that glows naturally. Pomegranate also repairs sun damage and supports skin cell regeneration, helping fade dark spots and keep your skin firm. For the best results, drink a small glass of fresh pomegranate juice a few times a week, or sprinkle the seeds over your salad. If you love discovering how food can change your life, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with Dr. Food Science weekly health transformations. Remember, glowing skin isn't just about what you apply, it's about what you nourish your body with. When you make papaya, blueberries, and pomegranate a part of your daily routine, you're feeding your skin with nature's purest ingredients. Within weeks, you'll see and feel the difference. Smoother texture, even tone, and that natural radiance that no cream can fake. So go ahead, glow from the inside out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful nutrition stories. Only on Dr. Food Science.